Hello dear students, as you all know that now we are going to have your final exams, okay, and today you are getting your 32nd assignment and this is the last assignment of this session, okay. After that you will not get any assignment and you have to prepare for your exams, okay. So watch the video properly because in this video I have explained you that how you will prepare for your final exams. Also student, you all know that this time you are going to do your exam in an offline mode, okay, that you are going to get the question paper in your WhatsApp groups and then you have to solve them properly. So do the solution of each and every question, okay, then only you will be getting full marks. If you are just writing the answers, so your marks will be deducted, okay. Okay, so let's get started. Class 4th, today we are going to do a quick revision of your whole syllabus. Okay, so we have done with your chapter number 7, that is your factors and multiples, and we have done some part of your geometry. Today we are doing your chapter number 8, that is your fractions. So in this chapter, your first thing is your types of fractions. So that you have to prepare for by yourself. What are the different types of fraction, your like fraction, unlike fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, all of them. Second is your conversion of improper fraction into a mixed fraction and vice versa. So how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction and how you will convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So one I have done for you. As you can see that this is an improper fraction 16 upon 5. Okay, and I have converted this fraction into a mixed fraction. For that you have to divide them. I have divided that 5 3s are 15. 16 minus 15 will be 1. So here 1 is your remainder, 3 is your quotient and 5 is your divisor. So for writing this, what we use a formula of QRD. Q in whole R upon D. Where Q is your quotient. So what is your quotient? 3. So I have written 3 over here. R is your remainder. What is your remainder? 1. So I have written 1 over here. And 5 is your divisor. So I have written 5 over here. Okay. Next, here I have written a mixed fraction and now I have to convert it into an improper fraction. For this, what you have to do, you have to multiply these two. Okay, that is your divisor and quotient. You have to multiply these two and then the answer you are getting, you have to add this number. So, 4 5s are 20 and 20 plus 3, 23. So, the answer will be 23 upon 4. Okay, so this is the way of converting an improper fraction into a mixed fraction or converting a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So students, here I have done one question of addition of unlike fraction. As you can see that two fractions I have written 6 upon 7 and 4 upon 5. They are unlike fraction. So how to solve them? For solving them you have to make them like fraction. And for making them a like fraction, what you have to do? You have to take the LCM of the denominator. So what are your denominators? 7 and 5. So I have taken LCM of 7 and 5, and how you will take that LCM I have told in my previous video. So the LCM of 7 and 5 is 35. Clear? Now for converting them into like fraction, I have to make the denominator equals to 35. If you are multiplying the denominator with some number, then you have to multiply with the numerator with the same number. So this will be 6 5s are 30 and 7 5s are 35. And here I have multiplied both the numerator and denominator with 7. So I got 28 upon 35. Now these two fractions, this 30 upon 35 and 28 upon 35 are like fraction. So it's very simple to add them. So I have written 30 upon 35 plus 28 upon 35. Okay, as the denominator are same, so I have written 35 and this is your 30 plus 28. That will be your 58 upon 35. Now this is your improper fraction. So you have to convert this improper fraction into a mixed fraction. So here I have converted into a mixed fraction. So your answer will be 1 whole 23 upon 35. Okay, so this is the way of doing addition of unlike fractions. Similarly, if it is a subtraction, only the sign will be changed here. Here I have written add, you will write subtract, and same process will be followed. So class 4, your next chapter is chapter number 9, that is your geometry. Half part of it we have done in our previous video, and today I am going to tell that what is an angle. When two rays meet at a point, they form an angle. So here you can see I have drawn two rays, that is your QP and QR. They are meeting at a point and this is your point Q. So here they form an angle. Okay. Now what is the vertex of this angle? Its vertex is Q Okay, the point where the two rays meet is known as your vertex. This is your Q, and two arms or two sides of your angle are Q, P and your Q, R. Okay, and how you are going to name it, I told you when you are naming it, its name can be P, Q, R or angle R, Q, P. The only thing which you have to keep in mind is that while writing its name, the vertex should be written in middle. Okay, so the two way of writing your writing the name of your angle are angle, this is the symbol of angle, angle P, Q, R or your angle R, Q, P. As you can see in both of them, I have written vertex in the middle. Okay, next is your exterior and interior of an angle. So here I have drawn an angle. How you are going to name it? This will be named as angle PQR, or you can say angle RQP. Okay. Now next is your exterior. So I told you if any points lie outside this angle. Okay. This is the boundary of your angle. So if any point lie outside the angle, for example, point S. So this is the exterior. If any point lie over here, for example, point G. So this is the interior, and what is on the angle? If a point lies on the rays QR or PQ. For example, if I am taking a point over here, that is A. So this is the point which lies on the angle. Your last chapter is chapter number 10, that is your metric measures. Okay. So in this chapter, you are having conversion, that is of conversion of length, your mass, and last one your capacity. Okay, so you have to do the practice of the conversion of the greater unit into smaller unit and smaller unit into bigger unit. Again, I'm telling you, whenever you saw the question of conversion, and as you know that in your question paper you are going to have questions based on conversion, just write this, that is your K, H, D, M, D, C, M. Okay, so with the help of this you can do the conversion very easily. You will write them, and this will be following for all of them. For length, mass and capacity, only in length you are having meter, centimeter, like this. In mass you are having gram, kilogram, and capacity you are having liter, milliliter, like this. So if you are going downward, then you have to do multiplication. Okay, and if you are going upward, then you have to do division. Clear? So students, this is all for today. You have to practice each and every question of your exercises. Okay, also you will prepare from 16th assignment to your 32nd assignment. All the work which we have done from 16th to 32nd assignment is also in your syllabus. Okay, so prepare for that, and all the best.